brightness on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with another beautiful brand new Super Duty. Top of the grill there, we're featuring our Razor LED. Below it, we have our TIR3 in white. We're also featuring next to that in the fog light pocket, our LIN-6 in amber white. And above that, we have our auto flasher mirror mod kit on the mirrors. Mounted here in the side badge, we have our Thin-X TIR series in amber white, alternating pattern. Right here on the side edge of the tail lights, we have our LIN-6 in the same alternating synchronized pattern to the front fog light LIN-6. For the low warning out back, we have 28-inch Thin-X strip and white TIR3. Thin-X is firing in all amber alternating, and the white is synchronized together with the LIN-6 under the taillights, just like the front. For the upper warning, we have our LED HAW duo in an HD lens, one set white and one set amber, all fitted into the third brake light, which is a tight fit, but it is doable, alternating on a very fast, simultaneous flash, both white to both amber. We also incorporated a flood mode in the rear that activates the Thin-X 28-inch strips, the TIRs, as well as the upper set of LED HAW duo, as well as a flood mode in the front, which activates the Razors under the hood, the TIR3s, as well as the mirror steady light. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. We hope you enjoyed our newer, shorter format video. If you want to see a longer, more in-depth version, check the link below and give us a comment as to if you enjoyed the new, shorter, faster videos.